In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the drag and large effect in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add the video to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, use the search bar and type drag and large. Once you find it, tap on it to preview. If you like the result, tap the Add button. The effect will appear on the timeline as separate layer. Drag its edges to extend or shorten the duration. Select the effect layer and go to the toolbar. Adjust the speed slider to customize the effect. After that, to make it more dynamic, let's layer another effect. Go back to the Effects tab. For this one, search for Hacker Effect. Tap on different options to preview them. Once you find the one that you like, tap the Add button. Drag its edges to extend its duration. Once you're done, preview the video to see the result. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the Export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully created the drag and large effect in CapCut Pro. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!